Hi guys, it's Monday night. I know it's late. Oh, it's about 8 o'clock at night. I have had a pretty rough day. Just trying to come back from that seizure and everything that's going on. And I thought today, well, what could I do? Do I feel up to doing a get ready with me, or what would be important to do today that I could do? And the dogs are barking. Well, what I want to do is I want to talk about the cleanliness of our makeup. And we use our eyeliners and things like that, and then we put the caps back on them. Mine, I usually take them and wipe them off, once a week. And I just want to show you what I do. It's like, here's an eyeliner. I didn't wipe them off this week yet. Yesterday, I was not in the mood. So I'm wiping it off today. And this is one of my eyeliners that I have to sharpen. So I'm just showing you that it needs, you should always clean it. Just one swipe will clean it. See? And it just cleans it. And wipe it off too. Make sure you wipe it. So see, then like the white gets clean. And you can get it clean. So now that's clean. Even on your ones that maybe you haven't used, still, you want to at least, because if they're sitting there, I have animals. And I know it's a waste of ink and maybe, but I like, even when they're down like that and it doesn't look like anything, I wipe it off and I shave it once through. And you can see my eyeliners came with this awesome eyeliner pencils. What do you call these things? Pencil sharpeners like this for the eyeliners. And then I also was able to buy a dual like this. I bought this at the dollar store for my thicker ones. But this is all you do. It's just one scrape. Some of your eyeliners have the sharpeners at the end. Please, by all means, sharpen those and clean them off. Yes, I'm using my makeup cleaner wipe to clean it. And I have to tell you, those wipes, they don't really clean your face too well. The makeup removing pads, they really don't. Mine aren't that damp. So I figure I can clean my tools with them. What the heck? And the little, what do you call these things? These little sharpeners come off of here so you can clean them too when they get gross. And you just stick it back in the back of your eyeliner. And this is a Mary Kay eyeliner. I love Mary Kay eyeliners. And see, now this one's never been used, but I'm going to swipe it once. because it just needs it. You know, it's a black one. I haven't been using black this often, so often. But I just, you know, how do you clean your tools? Do you, well, not your tool. Well, not your tool. Well, I guess this is a tool. It's something we use. How do you clean it? And how often do you clean them? Is it something you, see, now look at this. I use this on a cheap, on a different pencil sharpener. I think it was on this one. And look at how it came out. So I have to use it on this one. And see how it comes out. I want to check the points on all. See how much better that came out? I hope I never lose these pencils. These pencil sharpeners. I really like them. They really are nice. Now these you would just have to wipe off. The felt tips. Now this I've never used. It's a Levon eyeliner. If anybody, it has been opened, but if anybody would like this black eyeliner felt tip, let me know. I'll send it to you. But it has been opened. I've just never used it. Here's another Mary Kay. Take it and see, sharpen it. Wipe it off. You always want to wipe off your stuff. I would prefer with alcohol pads, but I unfortunately don't have any at this time. So I'm using these wipes. Oh, look at this pretty blue. And then what I do is I take an old toothbrush, well, not an old one, not something that I've used, but I take a toothbrush that I got from the dentist, obviously, or I bought, and I clean this and let it air dry. The eyeliner, what the hell do you call this? The pencil. Ooh. I got ice cream. Oh, thank you, Daddy. Daddy gave me some ice cream. What kind is it? Let's see what kind it is. Fudge swirl. Oh, see, and I have a pink, what is this? Carbonite? What is this? Carbonite water resistant velvet eyeliner. I don't know about this one. Well, if anyone is interested in this one, I've never used it. Oh, you know what? No one wants this. It's leaking. Never mind, folks. Big Idea. Cloaky. Jumbo liquid liner. Okay. Let me see this one. If anybody is interested in this big idea, let me know and I'll send it to you. I've never used it. Okay. I have this pretty purple one that I just got. What's this one? Oh, this does not have a auto eyeliner, but it does not have, look at this, how it came. I must have used, oh, and I pulled out the whole eyeliner. Look at that one. Isn't that good? I think I need to try and fix it. I'm gonna see if I can. I need to find one of those Mary Kay eyeliners. I mean, art sharpeners. And sharpen this baby. If it will. I don't know, because it's not the same width. Yep, it sharpened it. Okay. Good job. So it sharpened that. What do you guys have planned for tomorrow? Or New Year's Eve? Anything exciting? I don't have anything exciting. I'm keeping my happy butt home. That's what I'm doing. What am I doing? Did I put the... Uh-oh. Oh, well. Yep, I'm keeping my happy bottom home. I am not doing anything exciting. And we are just staying home. You know what I did? Like a ding dong. I thought today was the 30th. And we get paid on the 31st. So I thought, I'll pay everything by check today. A day early. We'll be all right. Yeah. Pam's going to have a rude awakening. Oh, Lord, help us all. Today is the 29th. And the 30th is tomorrow. I want to cry. I really do. I want to cry. Because tomorrow, hopefully we'll get paid tomorrow, a day early. You know? That would be wonderful. But for some reason, I don't see that happening. But I don't know. Lord willing. I'm just appalled by myself. My husband even asked me, he's like, what are you doing? I said, I'm paying bills. I want to be on top of everything. He says, you're going to be on top of them with the tune of a $35 charge. I said, no, I'm not. Today's the 30th. He says, no, it's not. And that was the last bill I was paying when he said that. And I was like, oh, shoo, doggy. Shoo, doggy, shoe doggy, shoe doggy. Look at that pretty gold. I had that on my eyes the other day. I hope these don't dry out fast. I really do. Hope they don't. Because I'll be one sad little girl. I will. Ooh, this one don't want to sharpen. It's a blue one. It's being a booger and a half shell. Oh, it sharpened. This is being hard to twist. Isn't that pretty too? My niece took some real pretty colors, but I can't be mad at her. By the way, hello to my daughter-in-law, Sarah. She's my regular watcher. She says she's my #1 fan. Hello, Sarah. I'm sorry it's not exciting tonight, Sarah. I can't get this one open. It's being a pain in the neck. It's called eye marker. Oh, it's a marker. I don't know what to think about these markers. I mean, it's twisting. Oh, here we go. Well, I've never opened this one before. This is a blue one. If anybody's interested in an eye marker, a blue one, felt tip, let me know. I can send it to you. I'm not interested in it. I don't do the felt tips or the liquid liners. My eyes can't handle it. Oh, this one's a favorite. Who does this one? Rare Beauty. Oh, I love my Rare Beauty one. I'm saving it. For what, I don't know. But I'm saving it. I do. Oh, I don't think there's anything else in it. Can I sharpen it? I don't know if there's any. Oh, there's a little bit. Oh, poor Rare Beauty. I'm gonna have to order one. Yeah. There's just this much left. I love it. All right, that's all my eyeliners. We got through the eyeliners, girls. Now I got eyebrow pencils. Do you ladies want to stay on here with me through this? That's all I'm doing. I'm just cleaning these. Let's see. Let's get another cloth. My eyebrow pencils. Let's see if they work. Gotta check and make sure your inventory works too every once in a while. Like, I have these. The Mighty Fine Brow Pen by Benefit. I love these. But if they're not working, yeah, that one's kind of, I gotta say goodbye to this one. Goodbye to you, my trusted friend. Let's see this one. Oh, this is a new one, I think. It's from Marie Claire, and it's still good. Doesn't need to be sharpened. That one's good. How about this one? Professional grade ink, portable convenience by Precision. On this side is the ink, see here, by Precision. Let's see what's on this side, if it's got ink. Yeah, it's got a lot of ink. And on this side, oh, it's got a little fine one. Let's see if it works. Yeah, the fine one works. Never used the fine side. Okay. And this is by Morphe. Oh, it needs some help sharpening. Look at that one. Oh, there goes the cat. She's going to start doing her thing on her scratch pad. Okay. Oh, that looks a lot better. Look at that one now. It morphed. That one looks good. How about this one? Who's this by? No name. I wonder where the name is. Must have wore out. We'll wipe this off and see. There's no name on this one. I don't know who this is by. And we are not very inkable. Let me see on my hand. Oh yeah, you got ink. But this is this one, and it's in a medium brown. Okay, let's see this one. LA Colors brow pencil. And we're going to give it a good twist because it's been sitting. We'll give it a clean twist. You know, they say when you're when I was doing people's makeup, you know, you had your demos and your things like that, but when you use the pencils and stuff like that, and you know, years back, they always used to say one twist cleaned it off. I don't know how that would be now. Oh, here's another one. Lifelike eyebrow pencil. And it doesn't say who it's from, but let's check it out. Oh, that's a different color. Look at that color. What was I thinking? Maybe we'll try that color on my eyebrows tomorrow. We can have some copper eyes. Oh, I have two of them. Now, did I open both? That one's a little lighter. Look at it. One's lighter, one's darker. Could mix the colors. Okay. I guess I don't play much with my... Okay, this is my eyebrow gel. But anyway, you know, wiping off like the mascara brush and wiping off. This is back when I sold Artistry. We're talking 30 years ago. This is my this was by LA Colors. You can barely see it. It's very loved. This is Marie Claire. My eyebrow stuff, I wiped it off. I have a lot of eyebrow things because I'm funky with them. I'm not funky with my eyebrows. I have to say I am finicky. I go through stages with the colors, as you can tell. I'll show you this one. Okay, this is LA Colors. Does it go on well? See, the LA Colors is not creamy. I guess I'm not liking it. And I have 2 of them. They say you should heat it up on a mirror or something. See, this is the LA Colors. It's not that. I don't know, but that's for eyebrow. Do I have 2 LA Colors? Yep, I do. And 2 different colors. All right. I'll go through a lot of these wipes. I should probably use my hand wipes instead of these. One more. And then I have, what's this? What is this? Lash and brow. I totally forgot about this. I have lash and brow, who's it by? Essence. I didn't know I owned anything Essence. It's a lash and brow, let me clean this off. My hands are icky. That's what the deal is. A lash and brow, you know, the fudge, what's it called? The setter, like the glue to hold it down. There, I got it. I didn't know I had that. Make sure it's still good. Okay, and I have another one of these Mighty Fine Brow Pens by Benefit. Let's see if this one works. Oh, this one falls apart. Yeah, it doesn't want to work. Okay, that's gone. And what is this one? Lavan 2-in-1 double-sided professional makeup. Let's see this side. This is this. Let's see if it works. Oh, barely. That one barely works. Well, here it is. And here is the tail. Yeah. That barely works. So, what do you do with your empties? Do you keep them in a box and show them, like, when people go through empties, how some people do? Or do you throw them away? I don't know what to do with my empties, because I throw them away. I don't save them like some people. I don't have room to save that stuff. like people do, you know. The last thing I'm going to do is my, what do we got, 30 minutes? All right, I'm just going to cut it at that. All right, yeah, what do you do? How do you save your empties? Do you save them and show them and make a whole listing of it? Or do you, I don't know. What do you do? Let's talk about that more. Leave me comments and let me know what you do with your empties. Do you do a show on that and talk about it if you're a content creator? What do you think's a good thing to do? Keep them or throw them out? Of course, and recyclable. So let me know. You guys have a good night. Godspeed. Love ya.